work in, stick with COVID, right? Well, your Star Trek chef has been up to this. As you can see, I made the homemade meat sauce. You saw that, right? And then a beautiful pasta. And now we're going to put it together into something really yummy. We're going to take it to a new level, right? So here we go. This may get a little messy. It always does. But I've got these clean containers here. Fill. Okay. That in here, that in here, make it equal. All right. Okay. First, fresh Parmesan. Very important. So I'm going to put that in. I take a little bit of butter stick and I cut thin slices, very thin, not too much. But this is going to give it the richness when you heat it up in the oven. Yes. You don't want to eat paper, do you? No. So, okay, so I'm just going to take these thin slices, put that one here, put one there. Okay, it's not done yet. One last thing before we put the tops on for you is Italiano cheese. It's a mixture. I tell you, I know it's Parmesan, it's mozzarella, Romano, and Emmental. So we're just going to cover this with cheese, right? That, push it all down. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands. Here. Okay. Kind of like a lasagna a bit. Yeah. So Maya, you can freeze this. So you have some because you want to eat it within the next 5 days. So I imagine you want to freeze some. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so have a look at it. There it is. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to put the tops on. So for that, we have this. I'll do the other three. We'll just finish this one for you so you see how it goes. And you're going to bake this in the oven. You're going to take the cover off and you're going to bake it at 350 for about a half an hour till it warms up. Maybe about 40 minutes till it warms up. Maybe half an hour, 350. You'll see the top all melting. Okay, and that's good. Hang on. Here. Perfect. In here. Like that. Then what I do is, I'm not going to believe this, but I semi-close it like that. Okay, and then you get a straw and I suck the air out. Help it stay fresher. The way to do that is take the straw in. And there we are. I will do the next ones now. I hope you enjoyed them. That should be 1 or 2 meals each, so you may want to freeze one. There. Bye now.